In this video, we are going to see that if you can't open the Windows security on Windows 11, here's how we can easily resolve this. First of all, what we need to do is just open up the start menu and right here, PowerShell. It will show you this best match option of the PowerShell. It should be a system settings. Right click on this, click on run as administrator. If it shows you that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click yes. And here, let me just zoom it a little bit, or we can, let's say, increase the size so that you can see everything clearly. What I have done is I have mentioned a command in the description of this video that you can copy and paste here. So what we need to do is just copy it from the description and paste it, Control V right here. Make sure the cursor is at the right place, or otherwise press enter in order to make it to the right place. You just right click at the top of the menu, click on edit and click paste. And there we have it. Click on enter and it says deployment is started. It will blink a little bit. It will show you some option and after that it will close. What you need to do is just close out of here after that. And after that, what you need to do is just open up the start menu and right here, Windows security. So just right click on this, click on app settings. And here it says the reset option, shows you the reset option. So we have two options here. Either we can try to repair this, but if it still doesn't work, you can try to reset that as well. But you need to see and work through all of these options. You need to read all of this and then click on repair if you're sure about that. Once it shows you the tick, you can just relaunch the application. Try to run Windows security. If it works perfectly, then that's fine. Otherwise, you can try to reset that as well. Click on reset. But this says this will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including preference and sign-in details. So if you're sure about that, just click on reset. But right now, I will not reset this, but you can try this as well because my system is not having that problem right now. So after that, what you can do is just right click and open the command prompt, click on run as administrator, click yes. I'll just zoom it a little bit for you. And finally, what you can do is just write here sfc / give a space / right scan now. So after that, just hit enter and it will run a quick scan for you to resolve the issue. So I'm not going to do this because you just press enter and you basically wait for some time in order for the scan to complete. And once you've done that, once the scan is complete, you can just close out of here, restart your computer, and everything should work perfectly and smoothly for you. Just try to run Windows security. Comment down below if that works for you guys. And if not, if you found some other solution, just comment down below as well, because we are here to help each other. So if you find a quick solution, just comment down below in the video and I will see you in the next one.